if you're trying to incorporate a healthy lifestyle, let's just know what to just kind of decide. It's just not worth it. Along with my goals, it's just not worth it. And that is anything that's prepackaged, frozen, that's a high level of sodium, high level of preservatives. The nutrients are not natural, and it's not nutrient dense. I said 3 culprits. I put in parentheses, and that may be a topic within itself. It's the fast food. FF means fast food. And the 3 culprits in all fast foods is sodium, fats, and sugar. They swim in all our fast foods. That's why we keep going back. But it's also what increases our health disparities. While we, have heart disease, while we have diabetes, where obesity comes from. It comes from all those different ingredients, and those 3 culprits lies in your fast food. So fast foods are getting better. I give it to you. There are some great fast food restaurants that have great fresh food. So I'm not saying they're not good. Just knowing how to pick them, but also picking them. Eating once a day is not a way that we can fuel our body. Our body needs nutrients throughout the day. So starving yourself and just saying I'm going to eat once a day is not going to be your answer to weight loss, health. You're actually going to do the opposite. You're going to be malnourished and your metabolism is going to slow down to a 0. So it's the opposite of what you want. And never wait till you starve. Always make sure you have snacks with you. Don't skip a meal, because when you skip a meal, you double up what you're eating the next time because you're ravenous, you're starving. So don't put yourself in a position where you're going to overeat and then you're going to feel bad that you overate. Keep snacks with you. Never skip breakfast. It's your most important meal of the day. That's a whole nother section within itself I can go deeper into, but it just starts your day off. So always have breakfast, even if it's a handful of blueberries, a piece of fruit. I don't care what it is at this moment, but just bring something into your system. And never chase calories. Don't try to make up for something that you overate or try to exercise it off. Don't eat something heavy and then starve yourself for the rest of the day. Don't try to chase calories. That puts you back into that diet mindset. And the last but not least, stop kicking the can. Stop procrastinating. Stop waiting for the perfect time. We can't wait till after a vacation, after a birthday, after some event, after the pandemic. No, the time is to start now. Because guess what? Every year there's going to be a birthday. Every year there's going to be some sort of occasion. So we can't wait until after that time to decide to start eating healthy. Go ahead and start now and stop kicking the can. Winning your food fight. The book that I wrote is called Winning Your Food. How to win the food fight. So this whole concept of winning is we want to feel like we're winning. We don't always feel like we're the loser when it comes to our life and our health. So that's why I call this winning steps. You want to feel like you're winning this. The winning steps is the whole goal is you want to increase your metabolism. To increase your metabolism, you're burning more calories and you're burning more fat calories. So the idea of starvation or eating once a day is counter to increasing your metabolism. So what you want to do is learn how to increase your metabolism. That's what's going to increase your ability to burn calories. Carbs are actually not our foes. We look at them as an enemy, but we can learn how to use carbs to our benefit. For those who are exercising and those who are working out, the best time to have a carbohydrate is actually before you work out because it's fueling for your body, fueling for your physical activity. Your body needs carbohydrates to best use for your activity. So use your carbs to your benefit. Have it before your workouts if you're concerned about your carb intake. Protein. Our body needs protein. Our body is built off of protein. It's bone with muscle wrapped around it. So for our bone health, for our body's health, our organ health, our immunity, we do need a constant influx of protein into our system every day when it comes to our food. When I say constant, like throughout your day, you want to have something with protein in it. Doesn't necessarily have to be an animal protein. It can definitely be a plant-based protein, but just understanding we need protein for our body's health and for our body's growth. And water. We all know water is it's the easiest thing to do, but it's the hardest thing to remember to do. I always say just buy you a 30-ounce bottle, buy one nice 30-ounce bottle that you like, and just make a goal to drink 2 a day. That way you're not thinking too hard. You don't have to count so many bottles of 16-ounce waters that you're drinking. Just buy 2 30s and just make sure you have a goal to drink it twice a day. Veggies is not just a healthy choice. It's what gives your body minerals, nutrients. It doesn't give your body any calories, and that's great. But understand it gives you so much more when it comes to just your body's ability to develop. So making sure veg is not just a healthy choice. It is a choice that's needed for your body's health. So try not to skip your veggies. Portion. Think about eat the amount of food your body needs. If you want that pizza, if you want that burger, ask yourself how much of that burger or how many slices of pizza do my body need versus let me just have all of it because it's here. So start thinking a little bit differently about what does your body needs when it comes to portion sizes. When I talk about snacks, think about snacks as coal in a furnace. Your furnace is your metabolism, right? So you're going to shovel coal in throughout the day to keep that fire going. So when I talk about snacks, go light with snacks. Have, like the bean chips, the fava beans, or have like some popcorn, or have some fruit, or have some nuts, a little bit of nuts. Have this light snacks throughout your day, and that's going to keep the fueling system going, which keeps your metabolism going. And last but definitely not least, is learning how to trust yourself. And again, if we lean on systems, we lean on numbers, we lean on diets, we don't really trust how we feel or what we think. So we have to start learning how to trust ourselves. That way we know what's good for our body, what best serves our body, and what best serves our health. So learn to trust yourself.